no proof is not enough.
Hey ladies, the wig that I have today is by Outre, and the name of this wig is Sherise. Now this is not a new unit. I have been watching this unit for a really long time, and I actually wanted it in the color that the model is wearing. It's more of an orange auburn color, but it seems to always be sold out in that color, so I ended up getting it in the color 950. So let me give you a little bit of information about this wig. This wig, it is a lace front, and it is Swiss lace, and it has L parting, so it kind of goes in a L shape. The wig comes in all your regular colors, and it also comes in some really pretty colors. I think that the color I wanted was the DR Copper Red. I think that's what this color is, and that's the color that I originally wanted it in. The unit is safe up to 400 degrees. So let's take it out. The color looks like a 99J to me, but it's supposed to be 950. So it's more like a reddish burgundy color with a chocolate like color inside. So hopefully the lighting is picking up on that. And you have nice stretchy lace on the front, and then you have a part that goes in an L shape. To me, it's more like a curved part, and you get a comb right here by the part. You get a comb on the side, and you get a comb in the back, and you get adjustable straps. Now, I always like to look in the middle of his wig or through the cap to see how the tracks are, and they look pretty good in here. I like the way that this hair is. Now, I've done this before, but I was asked by one of my subscribers to cut off the lace on camera. So I'm going to show you how I generally measure and how I cut off the lace. Okay, this is the wig on, and it fits pretty snug. And as you can see, this is the hairline. So generally what I like to do is go in and kind of see where my hairline, like trace my hairline a little bit to see where it is. And because my edges come out pretty far, a lot of times I end up bringing the edges of the lace down a little bit, because my edges come out to about right there. So I just kind of, you know, would mark here, just kind of where mine go in at a little bit. Now this isn't a custom anything, so it's just a regular, you know, standard lace front. It's not anything big. And then I cut where the part is. And I always leave a little bit of lace, just because I find if you decide to do baby hairs, it's easier to put the hair onto the lace. So as you can see, I'm just cutting that back so it went back to where my hairline is. And then I'll cut down. Okay, so see, that should go perfectly on my hairline. You see that? Okay, so, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side, which it's a little bit harder because you got to turn the scissors around a little bit. But I do the first couple of clips to go with it here. And then since this side, I just come underneath. Let you see it. All right. And let's take a look at the hairline. And as you see, if I lift it, it just kind of blends perfectly with that. I'm not using the comb. The comb is here, and then the other one is right here. So I'm not using those. But that's why I kind of like hard lace or stiff lace, because it fits so snug. So let's take this out and see what we got here. And this seems just like a regular style. It's not anything. I just always liked it. I just thought it was really cute. Simple and cute. I like how the hair is. I like the texture on the hair too. Okay, I do feel like I got a little bit of hump action back up in here. And I feel like I want to push that back a little bit. Okay. Now, this side, I want you to see this side. You see that? Because I have hair, my hair comes out right here. Okay, now looks like there is a curl that goes here and then it ripples down. But in the back of it, it's kind of straight. So I'm going to turn around so you can see that. In the back, this piece is a little bit straight. So it comes a little bit above my bra strap. But if I was to wear this, then I would lay some hair down here. And you don't got to do much. I would just do a little bit because of the way, like I say, my edges are. I would just do a little bit. Okay, I'm going to test it with some heat. I have my curling iron and I have it on 375 and I think it said up to 400 degrees. Let's double check. Yes, it did. So let's see how it takes heat and if it'll curl. I'm going to take the piece at the bottom that is straight. I'm going to see how it curls. I want to get it in here for you. It holds a curl pretty well. Yeah, it holds a curl pretty well. So if I was to wear it, I would probably go in and trim it a little bit to my face, which I can go ahead and do that. I'm not gonna wear it now, but I'll go ahead and I'll do that for you because it's just a little bit too long right here. Okay, ladies, this is the final look for this. And let's go through some pros of the hair. So the number one pro I like of this hair is the texture. I give the texture on this pretty much a 9. I don't think it's too shiny. I don't think it's too coarse. I think it's like a perfect texture of hair. It's the right type of yucky and silky mix together. And you got to remember, this is a synthetic wig. So I like the texture. Another thing I like is the parting area. I didn't have to do anything to this parting area All I did was put it on, and the parting area looks really, really natural to me. And if you want to have it come from here, then you could just not have this piece swoop over, and you would have it literally look like it's coming from there. Another thing I like about the unit, I like the way that it's cut. I like the way that the layers are in it. I did go in and do a little bit up top, but I didn't do that much. I literally cut off only a little bit, so to frame my face in the front. So I like that. I like the shine on it. I probably mentioned that. I like that it's a natural shine. It just looks like healthy hair. I like that the cap fits snug, because I don't use the comb. So, and I didn't put bobby pins in here, and the cap fits really snug. As you can see, it fits really snug. The lace is a stretchy lace, and it's kind of soft. It's not the soft lace that lifts, but it's really soft. Now the color, I don't like a lot of dark colors on me. So I'll say the color is not that it's a con or a pro. It's just I don't really like dark colors on me that well. So if you're a person that like dark colors, that's going to be a pro. If you're a person that don't like dark colors, you're not going to like a 950. So I think that this will pretty much complete my review on this wig. I think it's a cute wig. I think it's I'm not sure the price. I'll have to leave that in the description box, or make sure I leave a link below where you can purchase this. But I think it's a good find, and it's an everyday wig. It's really simple, and I think you probably should pick it up. So thank you ladies so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, give it a like. If you decide to share this video on any of your social media platforms, please tag me in it. My name will be Beauty by Mark. I'll see you guys.